Disconnect the connector right here, just slide this back, slide the plug out. There may be a different type of fastener on here. This looks like this is not from the factory. This has been replaced before. Use a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp. You may have hose clamps on here that you have to use pliers. And slide that down. On this side there's a lever. If you can push that little lever down, and you can slide the whole thing off. And slide it out. Now you can disconnect the hose. Just try to twist it back and forth and slide it out. This new one has a little hose to attach. There may be a situation where you actually had to cut the hose right here, and then you could attach it like that. For this application, I'm not going to use this, so I'm just going to take this off, use some hose clamp pliers. Slide this off. Before I attach this, I'm just going to slide this onto the fuel tank, just the same way it came off. And that slides on good. Now take the hose, slide that on there, and move the clamp over, and tighten down the clamp. And make sure that's good and snug. Now the connector for this is different for the solenoid. So this comes with a wiring harness. Plug that in, and then plug this in on this side, and lock it down. And there's a little clamp right here. You can slide this on the edge of the shields right here. Now the vent side of this has a hose that was laying right here. The vehicle didn't have this connected before. So what you want to do is connect this right here. Use the hose clamps. Try to get that to fit. That hose goes all the way behind the gas tank and up next to the transmission. Now, if you didn't have that hose, you could add one, or you could just connect this vent side or like little muffler to this, to a hose. So I'll just take the old one off, just twist it back and forth, try to pull it out, just like that. And take the new one and just slide it back in position. And this will connect right here. That way water doesn't splash into that. The important thing is that debris and water and sand does not get to the actual valve.